I struggle with the people that are constantly training scripting every morning, for example. I know we have some people in our group that do that. God, that just seems like something that is not going to work. I just don't think people are showing up for that. But I think in theory, it sounds great. We do scripting, and honestly, it's our absolute best training. It's the best damn thing we've ever done. We do a script battle. We borrowed this idea from Kyle Whistle, where every 4 weeks we have a big script battle. We invite a bunch of different brokerages too. We used to just do it in our office, and we would have objections. We all battle, and I would be the judge, the jury, the executioner, and pick who moved on to the next round. And we'd do another 2-minute script battle. And dude, to see some of my agents over like 2 months go from like literally talking out of their ass to, I mean, there's one guy, his name's Nate on my team. I still have the video because it's insane. He, I don't know if he could have delivered a better answer, and he used all of like the company lines, and like, dude, it was so good. And I just sat there and I'm like, I can't even look you in the eye right now because like you're like Jesus or something. It was crazy. But like a month prior, couldn't he couldn't talk his way out of anything, right? And so if you guys aren't doing scripting and like making it fun, and like that's a huge lapse. I think everybody should be doing some sort of scripting, but I think you can beat it into the ground too much, and so that's why we've opted to only do it once a month. Um, we do little mini scripting things at team meetings and stuff, but like nothing where it's like an hour of scripting a day. That seems nuts.